morning, Fiery Miho. Off for another adventure. We're heading to Kanazawa. Yay, bye-bye. It's 3 days Halloween. 3 days holiday here in Japan now. So C and I are bound for Ishikawa Prefecture. We're going to Kanazawa for the very first time. So I'm excited. So I'm excited. Ano na? It's very early, so my brain's not functioning properly. But yeah, we're just taking a break here at Joy. Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Oha! I'm back for another break. Finally, we've reached Toyama. Toyama Tourist Information. This is my first time coming here to Toyama. Actually, we're just passing by because our main destination is in Ishikawa Prefecture in Kanazawa. Yay! Hello! After how many hours, we finally made it to, where are we? 1, 2, 3. Kanazawa! He's excited.
LOL! Sorry, I got the name right.
Yeah. Our first order of the day is to go and check the famous 21st century museum.
Look at
Is it
kids.
museum?
Kawaii.
Yeah. And, first hotel. And so cool, yeah. I'm gonna take a footage later for all of you to see. Yay! This is the 21st Century Museum in Kanazawa, and here is the outside view. So we're going in now. It's huge. Where do we go? Where do we go? Here? Downstairs.
Today's reservations has been closed.
This is the admission for the underground section.
It says reservations have been closed.
Yeah, no, it's like Shibuya. We can always come back here if you want. We can go back tomorrow. Parking is until 8 p.m. We have ticket buyers. Which one will we get? 450. This is the DXP corner where you have to pay 1000 yen to get in. Baby, this is the DXP one. They look cool though. This is where the entrance is, so we have to go down. We're outside the DX museum now. They're all looking at it. This is the entry to the digital museum. We have to buy ticket downstairs, my love. Oh, I made it! Yeah, because you said flower.
Doesn't look that great.
21st Century Museum. Look at that. Look, they're making something. Sugoi. That's the thing they made. This is one of the rooms here. It's called Tutorial Room, which is like basically like a resting place. Yeah, you know this place, this area, so many people waiting in line to take their photos. It's so cool, yo. Look at them. They look like Osaki. There's like 2 museums here. One is it knows when forms become mined, which is worth like 450 yen. And that's the DXP, which is 1000 yen. If you buy the DXP, you're allowed to go inside this pool. But it's like Shibuya Sky. You have to book it. And it's all gone now. We can't go in. Because it's Japan's long holiday this week. Everywhere you go, there's loads of people. And right now, we're here in Kanazawa and we're trying to get into one of the museums of the 21st century. We're going to go to the It Knows When the Mind Forms section, which is 450 yen. The other one is called DXP, which is 10 yen, but it's full. Yeah, bye! Look at this hanging gown, futuristic gown. Kakoy. Here is the back view. Sugoi. How cute is that? It's big. Huh? Look at this pink one. It's creepy. It's moving. It's wrinkly. This is the way to the underground pool, but we didn't manage to get the tickets. So we managed to get inside, but there's no way we can go down. Ah, masarap.
What's the big deal about it, though?
Well, it's kind of nice because you look, it's like a
Nice.
swimming pool.
It's not so nice when you need to book tickets.
Well,
in
yeah.
advance.
Look at that. There's people underneath the pool. Look. This is the area where the famous pool is. Look, that's where you buy ticket. That's where the entrance is. And you go there, all the way from here, and that's where we're going next. Bye, pool. What's going on? Melting memories. You melt your memory? That's creepy. Where are we?
Kamakaya.
Kanazawa?
Kanazawa.
No, I mean now. In a
Voltage.
ball pit. It's a ball pit.
DXT.
DXP, yeah.
DXT.
21st Century Museum. We're in a ball pit. Yeah. In 21st Century Museum in Kanazawa. It's funny. Not too close. I'm taking a video.
Why not too close?
Yay.
Where's the camera?
These are the things we saw inside, the one they put on your hair. It's so cool.
I've broken it.
You can ask a
I've broken
question
it.
and then she'll answer back. Nice. Look at the eyes. It's like a museum. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these chess pieces. Kawaii.
There's two different types of castle.
Yeah, true. Oh my god, look. It's cute. We came in there like, what time did we came
Earlier
there?
than 3.
Yeah. Look, it's dark now. We came there like before 3 o'clock and we just finished now. My god, there's so much to see. That's why we ended up just going out now. And yeah, we're just trying to find somewhere to eat and finding what to do next after this. Because obviously the park is gonna be closed by now. It's 5-ish. Okay, later. I'm inside the magic ball.
Hello?
Hello, good morning. Welcome to my page. This is Fiery Miho. This is our second day here in Kanazawa, Ishikawa Prefecture.
You forgot for